Top 5 Best Blackhead Masks. The top 5 masks for blemish-free skin. For most of us, clogged pores and other skin blemishes are just an unfortunate fact of life. Blackheads are one of the most common skin concerns that plague people with all different complexions, and it seems like every time you get rid of one, 10 more pop up. However, these masks claim they can help you tackle the problem quickly and easily, whether you prefer a scrub, wash off, or peel formula. Cetaphil Clay Mask Pro.
For more than 75 years, Cetaphil has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. Cetaphil's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. Cetaphil. We do skin. You do you.
BioRay Charcoal Instantly Warming Clay Facial Mask. Innisfree Pore Clearing Clay Masks.
Hey everyone, my name is Ramel, and today I'll be talking about the Innisfree ProClean Clay Mask ×2 with super volcanic clusters. With my busy routine, I was looking for a simple, quick and effective pore care solution. And that's when I discovered Innisfree's ProClean Clay Mask. My skin can get oily, so I use this product to remove excess oil and minimize visible pores. It's affordable and you can get at least 20 uses out of one jar. The key ingredients and unique benefits are the GG volcanic clusters, AHA lactic acid, and non-drying formula, which leaves the skin feeling comfortable and not tight. Here is a close-up of the texture. It's creamy, very cooling, and easy to apply. I'm going to let it dry for 10 minutes and I'll show you the final result. I just rinsed and dried my face and it definitely feels a lot cleaner and smoother. Innisfree's ProClean Clay Mask ×2 with super volcanic clusters. I highly recommend. Go check it out.
Boscia Luminizing Charcoal Mask.
The Luminizing Charcoal Mask is one of Boscia's most popular products that's been around for over 10 years, and once you use it, it's easy to see why. It's made with amazing, good-for-you ingredients like detoxifying charcoal and brightening vitamin C to really detoxify the gunk out of your pores. You can use it all over your face. I personally love to spot treat places like my nose or a T-zone that need a little more skincare love. To use, you just apply a thick, even layer to the skin, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then once fully dry, gently peel off starting from the outer edge.
Spascription's 5 ounces 150 milliliters black mask.